කලින් ඔළුව දාගෙන හිටියා. ඊට පස්සේ ඇතුළට ගියා. Hey guys, what's up? WhatsApp, Viber, Imo, anything you can choose, guys. So it's a beautiful morning today. As you can see the sun right there, and we are going to catch some fish today. So yeah, let's hop into the vlog, guys. Guys, we are ready to go. So as you can see, I've taken my camera and my reel. So this is what we are going to take. Okay, let's go. Here's my baby. Let's go. My brother. Bro, say hi. It was raining the whole week here, so today it's very sunny. Let's get some fishes, guys.
Why are you running?
அடே நின்று பார்த்து கொண்டு இருக்குது. அது திடீரெண்டு எங்கேயும் இல்லாம இருந்து வந்துச்சு திடீரெண்டு. சொன்னேன் பாப்பா முதல்ல மழை பண்ணீங்க பாரு, மழை வந்துருச்சு திருப்பி. කලින් ඔළුව දාගෙන හිටියා. ඊට පස්සේ ඇතුළට ගියා. වැස්සනේ දැන් එනවා එළියට. කලින් දැකපු එක ටිකක් ලොකුයි.
මේක වැඩිය?
ඔව්. ඌගේ ඔළුව විතරක් මේ දුරින් ඉඳන් දැක. Guys, this is the crocodile. I don't know if you guys can see this clearly, but this is the one. It's not that much big though. I think it's a 2-3 footer, I guess so. It's not that big, but yes, the locals ain't lying.